Are you frustrated because the law of attraction doesn't seem to be working for you? Maybe you've tried visualizing wealth, saying affirmations, or even creating vision boards, yet nothing has changed. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Most people unknowingly make critical mistakes that block money from flowing into their lives. The truth is, the law of attraction isn't just about positive thinking or daydreaming about riches. There's a right way to use it, and when you do, the results can be life-changing. Think about this. What if the reason you're stuck isn't that the law of attraction doesn't work, but that you've been using it the wrong way? Imagine trying to bake a cake without following the recipe. You might have all the right ingredients, but without the proper steps, the outcome is disappointing. The same principle applies to attracting abundance. Here's the good news. Once you understand how to use the law of attraction correctly, you'll realize that wealth isn't out of reach. It's closer than you think. In this video, I'll reveal the most common mistakes people make, how to fix them, and, most importantly, the steps you need to take to start attracting money into your life today. Stay with me until the end, because I'll share the single biggest mistake that's likely holding you back and how to turn it around instantly. You don't want to miss this, because your journey to financial freedom starts right here, right now. Let's dive in. One of the biggest misconceptions about the law of attraction is the idea that all you need to do is think positively and money will magically appear in your life. This misunderstanding has left so many people feeling frustrated and defeated when their dreams don't materialize. Here's the truth. Thinking positively is only the first step. It's like planting a seed in a garden. You can't just leave it there and hope it grows. You need to water it, nurture it, and give it sunlight for it to thrive. The same principle applies to attracting wealth. Positive thinking is important because it sets the tone for your mindset, but it must be combined with action and emotional alignment. If you sit on your couch visualizing money but never take steps to earn or create opportunities, you're essentially leaving your garden untended. Think about it this way. If you're trying to attract a new job or business success, you can't just think about it. You need to take inspired action. Apply for that position, reach out to potential clients, or start working on that business idea. The law of attraction isn't about passivity. It's about aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your desires. The key takeaway is this. The law of attraction is a partnership between your mind and the universe. You dream it, and then you do the work to bring it to life. When you combine positive thinking with consistent, inspired action, you create a powerful force that can attract abundance into your life faster than you ever imagined. Your subconscious mind is one of the most powerful forces in your life, but it can also be your biggest obstacle when it comes to attracting wealth. Why? Because your subconscious beliefs are like an invisible script running in the background, dictating 95% of your thoughts, actions, and decisions. Even if you consciously desire money and success, if your subconscious holds negative beliefs about wealth, it will sabotage your efforts every time. Think about it. What did you grow up hearing about money? Maybe you were told things like, money doesn't grow on trees, rich people are greedy, or you have to work yourself to exhaustion to earn a decent living. These messages may seem harmless, but over time, they embed themselves deep in your subconscious, shaping how you perceive money. If, deep down, you believe that wealth is bad, hard to achieve, or something you're not worthy of, you'll unconsciously repel it, even as you try to attract it. Here's an example. Imagine someone who wants to start a business but subconsciously fears failure or feels they don't deserve success. They might procrastinate, self-sabotage, or hesitate to take the necessary steps, all without realizing their subconscious is driving their behavior. The good news is that these limiting beliefs can be reprogrammed. Start by identifying the thoughts holding you back. Ask yourself, what beliefs about money did I inherit from my family or society? How do I truly feel when I think about wealth? Once you've identified those beliefs, challenge and replace them. For instance, if you've been telling yourself, money is hard to earn, reframe it with an empowering affirmation like, money flows to me with ease and abundance. By shifting your subconscious beliefs, you remove the blocks that have been keeping wealth at a distance and open yourself up to the financial abundance you deserve. It all starts with becoming aware of the hidden scripts in your mind and rewriting them for success. Emotional alignment is the secret ingredient that makes the law of attraction truly work. Most people focus on what they're thinking, but they completely overlook what they're feeling. And this is where they get stuck. You see, the universe doesn't just respond to your thoughts. It responds to the energy you emit, and that energy comes directly from your emotions. Let me explain. You could be repeating affirmations like, "I am wealthy," or visualizing yourself with a large bank account. But if deep down you're feeling fear, doubt, or scarcity, that emotional vibration is what you're actually sending out into the world. The universe picks up on your true emotional state, not just the words you say or the pictures you imagine. If you feel lack while trying to attract abundance, you're unintentionally attracting more lack. So, how do you align your emotions with your desires? The key is to focus on cultivating the feelings you would have if your goal was already achieved. For example, imagine holding $10,000 in your hands. Close your eyes and feel the weight of the money. Visualize yourself paying off your debts, taking a dream vacation, or investing in something meaningful. Allow yourself to feel the excitement, relief, and gratitude as if it's already happening. That emotional state is what aligns you with the vibration of abundance. But here's the challenge. Negative emotions like fear or doubt will still arise from time to time, and that's normal. The goal isn't to suppress them, but to shift them. When you catch yourself worrying about money, pause and ask, "What am I grateful for right now?" Gratitude is one of the most powerful tools for instantly elevating your emotions. Even something as simple as appreciating the money you already have, no matter how little, can change your emotional state. The secret is consistency. The more you practice aligning your emotions with abundance, the more naturally it will come to you. Emotional alignment isn't about perfection, it's about progress. And as your emotional energy shifts, you'll start to notice opportunities, ideas, and resources flowing to you effortlessly. When your feelings match your desires, you create a magnetic force that pulls wealth into your life. One of the most powerful yet often misunderstood principles of the law of attraction is acting as if you're already wealthy. This doesn't mean pretending to be something you're not or living beyond your means. Instead, it's about embodying the mindset, energy, and habits of someone who already has the abundance you desire. Here's why this works. The way you think, feel, and act creates your reality. If you constantly focus on lack, feeling like you don't have enough, or that wealth is out of reach, you're reinforcing that reality. But when you start behaving like a person who is already financially abundant, you shift your energy and align with the vibration of wealth, making it easier to attract opportunities, resources, and ideas. Think about it this way. If you were already wealthy, how would you carry yourself? Would you be stressed about every small expense? Or would you approach money with confidence and ease? Would you invest in yourself, take risks, and seize opportunities? Or would you hold back out of fear? When you start adopting these attitudes and behaviors now, you're telling the universe, "I'm ready for abundance," and the universe will respond. Here's a simple way to practice this. Start small. Treat yourself to something you usually avoid because you're trying to save money. It doesn't have to be extravagant. Maybe it's upgrading your coffee order or buying a quality item that makes you feel good. It's not about overspending. It's about sending a signal to yourself and the universe that you value abundance and deserve it. Another way to act as if you're wealthy is by setting boundaries with your time and energy. Wealthy people prioritize their goals, invest in their growth, and say no to things that don't serve their vision. Start practicing this by treating your time and decisions as valuable assets. For example, if you're building a business, act like a CEO. Be strategic, delegate tasks, and stay focused on the big picture. Remember, wealth isn't just about money. It's a state of mind. Acting wealthy means living with intention, confidence, and gratitude for what you have while being open to receiving more. By embodying this energy now, you'll naturally attract the abundance you desire. As you consistently act like the wealthy version of yourself, you'll start to notice that the world around you begins to reflect that reality back to you. Gratitude is one of the most powerful tools for unlocking financial flow, yet many people underestimate its impact. When you focus on what you already have and feel truly grateful for it, you shift your energy from lack to abundance. This shift is essential because the law of attraction doesn't respond to what you want. It responds to how you feel about your current reality. Think of gratitude as a signal you send to the universe that says, "I appreciate what I have, and I'm ready for more." When you focus on gratitude, you're not only raising your vibration, but you're also creating a mental and emotional state that attracts more things to be grateful for, including money. It's a cycle. The more grateful you feel, the more abundance flows into your life. Here's an example. Imagine you receive an unexpected $20. You have two choices. You can dismiss it as insignificant, or you can genuinely appreciate it as a sign that money is flowing to you. When you choose gratitude, you reinforce the belief that you are abundant, and this belief creates more opportunities for financial growth. A simple but effective practice to cultivate gratitude is to write down 3 things you're grateful for each day, specifically related to money. It could be as small as finding a coin on the ground or as significant as receiving a paycheck. By focusing on what's already going well, you train your mind to see abundance rather than scarcity. Gratitude also works as a remedy for financial stress. Instead of focusing on what's missing or worrying about bills, shift your attention to what you've already been able to achieve. Maybe you've paid off some debt, saved a little money, or simply had the resources to provide for your family. When you focus on these positives, you not only reduce stress but also open yourself to greater financial possibilities. The truth is, wealth starts with appreciating what you already have. Gratitude unlocks the flow of money because it changes your mindset, raises your vibration, and helps you see opportunities you might otherwise miss. Start practicing gratitude today and watch how it transforms your financial life. If you want to attract wealth, you need to surround yourself with prosperity energy. This concept is simple but incredibly powerful. The energy around you influences the energy within you. The people you spend time with, the environment you inhabit, and the media you consume all shape your mindset and emotional state, which in turn affects your ability to attract abundance. Let's start with the people in your life. You've probably heard the saying, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If those around you have a scarcity mindset, are constantly complaining about money, or don't believe in abundance, it's going to be much harder for you to adopt a mindset of prosperity. But when you surround yourself with people who inspire you, support your dreams, and share an abundance mindset, it becomes easier to believe that wealth is possible for you, too. Next, look at your physical environment. Is your space filled with clutter? Old things that no longer serve you, or reminders of past struggles? If so, it's time for a change. Clean up your environment and make room for prosperity. A tidy, organized space not only promotes clarity and focus, but it also sends a signal to your subconscious that you're ready to welcome new opportunities and financial growth. Whether it's decluttering your home, updating your workspace, or even rearranging furniture, small changes in your environment can make a huge difference in how you feel and what you attract. Finally, pay attention to the content you consume. The books, podcasts, TV shows, and social media accounts you follow all influence your mindset. If you're constantly consuming negative or fear-based content, you're reinforcing scarcity thoughts. But when you focus on educational, motivational, and abundance-oriented materials, you start to shift your mindset toward prosperity. Surround yourself with positive influences, whether it's books on wealth, podcasts by successful entrepreneurs, or following people who inspire you to grow and succeed. And if you've ever wondered why some people make a lot of money easily, while you, even with so much sacrifice, study, and dedication, can't prosper, if you want to discover the secrets that helped me unlock my mind and go from debt to millionaire in less than 1 year, I have something amazing for you. In my new book, Rich Mind, I'm going to show you that getting rich is easy and that what's really difficult is convincing yourself of it. If you want to put an end, once and for all, to your hidden enemies who sabotage your success and unlock your mind to make money towards the life you deserve, I will leave the official link for you to download the Rich Mind ebook here in the description and in the first comment pinned to this video. Dare to think differently. Let's continue. Surrounding yourself with prosperity energy isn't just about physical surroundings. It's about creating an environment where your mind, emotions, and actions align with your financial goals. The more you immerse yourself in positive, abundance-filled energy, the more effortlessly wealth will flow into your life. Start today by making small shifts in your environment, relationships, and the content you consume, and watch how your attraction to abundance grows. The number one mistake people make when trying to use the law of attraction is waiting instead of creating. So many people fall into the trap of believing that if they visualize wealth or repeat affirmations, money will magically appear without any effort on their part. They sit back and wait, hoping the universe will deliver their desires on a silver platter. But here's the hard truth. The law of attraction doesn't reward passivity. It rewards inspired action. Think of it this way. The universe is like a dance partner. You can't just stand still and expect it to lead. You have to step forward, take action, and meet it halfway. When you sit idle, you're not signaling readiness. You're signaling hesitation. Wealth doesn't come to those who wait. It comes to those who create opportunities and act on them with confidence and purpose. Consider this example. Let's say you're trying to attract financial freedom. You spend your mornings visualizing success, but throughout the day, you procrastinate on tasks, avoid taking risks, or ignore opportunities to learn and grow. That's like planting a seed and never watering it. Visualization sets the intention, but action makes it real. So, how do you shift from waiting to creating? Start by setting clear, actionable goals. Break down what you want to achieve into small, manageable steps. For instance, if your goal is to increase your income, ask yourself, what actions can I take today? Maybe it's updating your resume, reaching out to a potential client, or researching a new skill that can boost your earning potential. The key is to take consistent, inspired action, no matter how small. Every step you take sends a powerful message to the universe. I'm ready to receive abundance, and I'm willing to do my part. When you act, the universe responds by aligning opportunities, resources, and people to support your journey. It's also important to embrace failure as part of the process. Waiting often stems from fear of making mistakes or facing rejection. But the most successful people will tell you that failure is a stepping stone to success. Every time you take action, even if it doesn't go perfectly, you're learning, growing, and moving closer to your goals. Stop waiting for the perfect moment, the ideal opportunity, or a sign from the universe. The moment to act is now. When you shift your mindset from waiting to creating, you step into your power as a co-creator of your reality. The universe isn't holding you back. It's waiting for you to take the first step. Start today and watch how quickly abundance begins to flow into your life. We've uncovered the truth about why the law of attraction might not be working for you and, more importantly, how to turn things around. From understanding the biggest misconceptions to reprogramming your subconscious, aligning your emotions, acting as if you're already wealthy, and surrounding yourself with prosperity energy, you now have the tools to attract abundance into your life. And remember, the number one mistake holding most people back is waiting instead of creating. The universe rewards those who take inspired action. So, here's my challenge for you. Start today. Take one step, no matter how small, toward creating the financial life you desire. Maybe it's rewriting a limiting belief, practicing gratitude for what you already have, or setting a clear financial goal and taking action on it. Every small shift brings you closer to the abundance you deserve. Now, imagine your life 6 months or a year from now. Picture the freedom, the peace of mind, and the joy of living in abundance. It's not just a dream. It's within your reach, and the journey starts with the choices you make today. If this message resonated with you, don't keep it to yourself. Like this video, subscribe for more content like this, and share it with someone who needs to hear it. Let's create a community of people unlocking their potential and attracting wealth together. And tell me in the comments, what's one action you're committing to today to step into your abundant future? You have the power to change your financial reality. The universe is ready to meet you halfway. It's your time to rise, to attract, and to thrive. Let's make it happen.